What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about XRP and mainly just have a conversation on how anxious I am to see XRP hit $1. I know that XRP to $1 is chump change. You would probably say this is going to happen fairly soon. Once you have any type of conclusion, you can expect that's going to happen. But the reason why I want to see that happen is maybe a lot bigger than just um, hitting the level of $1. Does that make sense? I hope it does. I know it tends to not come through, but I'll explain a little bit more. Um, there's more of a reason behind hitting $1 than just getting to that dollar. There's so much more room for growth if you do that. It's like a plant receiving water for the first time. Like when you hit that level, it opens up a whole new door, right? A whole new window, a whole new opportunity within it. And I want to talk about that within this video because it's something that I've been thinking about, that it's been a struggle to get past that level. And once it does surpass that level, I expect to see God candles over and over and over again, which, you may be a fan of, you may not, but I understand every side of it. So feel free, if you are for XRP or against XRP, let me know your reasoning in the comment section below. But if you guys could, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to take that risk in trading in Margex, feel free to do so. I've been, doing some pretty good numbers over the last day, especially as things have dropped. You can see here that a lot of my positions, my 50x leverage in XRP is up by $75 or 317%. My AVAX position is up by 51%, 145% for the next one, 28%, 72%. You see 81%, 109%, 64%, 101%. So you can see that, I'm making a decent amount of money from all the plays that I've invested into yesterday, after things did drop down aggressively. But this is the thing, when you do make these percentages, when you do make 200, 300%, 400%, take your initial investment, take some profit, because you always have that chance to come back on you, which wouldn't be great for your situation. Just try and take profit as time goes on. But feel free to check out my Margex link down below if you guys want to trade XRP up to a 50x leverage or any other position, all the way up to 100x leverage. Feel free to do that. But the reason why I wanted to make this video was because I'm so excited for XRP to hit a level of $1. And I can't wait for that to happen. And I feel like hitting $1 is more important than you think. So let's have a conversation about this. Let's start with where XRP is right now, which is currently at 43 cents. It is up by 6% on the day, and you're seeing it at 24.1 billion dollar market cap, which is significantly lower than where it was at the 50-cent level, at the 60-cent level. But you're also seeing the entire market not really flow in the right direction. Bitcoin is down significantly. You can see XRP is down significantly. You can see BNB and Solana and a lot of other positions that are down, not trying to justify the fact that, XRP has dropped, but justify the reasoning as to why this has dropped. It's more about a market overall crash than it is about just XRP in general. So we can't look at it that way and go, XRP sucks because it's dropped by so much. That's not the case. But we're also seeing $1 billion in volume, which is down by 52%. And if you could see the volume up top, you can see the overall volume is down by 33 or 34%. So again, a market or overall market is down in volume. XRP is also down in volume, but the position is up from where it was at its lows, right? During this time, we saw this at its lowest levels. So once we get to a point where maybe it's 12 o'clock, unless we see it absolutely skyrocket, it's still going to be up. It's just not going to be up as significant as it is from this level where we were at our low points. But we're still seeing 43 cents right now. Now, if we look over the history, right, the last 7 days down 8 or 9%, the last month down 17%, the last year, we can see this hit certain levels. You see the fluctuation, and this is the picture that I wanted to show. The reason why I wanted to show this picture was because the fluctuation shows you where it was, kind of resisting from. And typically when you see some levels like $1 or let's say a penny, or even higher than that, right? $10 or $100. You see a certain level below it where most likely it's around the 7.5 level. A lot of times it's around the 9 level. So it'll be 90 cents, or it'll be $9, or it'll be $90, right? Those levels you saw with XRP, you see it with Solana, you see it with Pepe when it was about to drop a zero multiple times. You see it with so many different plays that when they hit a certain level that's at like the 9 level, the 8 level, whatever, it resists from those levels. XRP has been resisting from that dollar level for quite some time. When XRP was labeled as not a security, XRP flew. And you're going to see that here. That was in July of last year. It flew all the way up to a high level, which it shows 82, but the highest level was 95 cents. Getting up to 95 cents and then decreasing from 95 cents very, very quickly showed, right? It showed where we are, where we're heading, and kind of the SEC and everything that's going on there, right? And getting back down to 48 cents didn't really feel great, but then increasing back up to 70 cents, decreasing back down to 48 cents, increasing back up to 70 cents, and decreasing down to where we are at 43 cents. It shows, right? It's going to break out. It's due for a breakout. And I said this in one of my last videos that a God candle is coming. And I would assume once we have clarity that XRP is going to see that. But it's not only about the breakout itself, it's about where it gets to. Breaking the level of $1, which hasn't been broken in quite some time, right? If we go all the way back here and we say the level of $1 hasn't been broken since you hit this level, which was all the way back in 2021, it is 2024 right now. It is so important that this gets to break a level of $1 and also have Ripple have so many forms of implementing their payment options within their systems, right? You're talking about banking. You're talking about businesses. You're talking about individuals that are utilizing XRP as a form of payment. Individual businesses that want to use that as well. You're looking at growth, so much growth potential. And for me, hitting a level of $1 is insanely important. We haven't been there in 3 years, and it will get there as a major position in the altcoin scene. It will get there, and when it does, you'll see a lot more belief for it. Right now, all people see is the fluctuation. All people see is what they want to see. I've said this time and time again that people only see like what's in front of their eyes, and if you put out this is where it is, they're only going to see the fluctuation. They're only going to see that it hasn't hit a level of $1 in a matter of 3 years. It is due for that. It is due for that breakout, but you need the clarity that comes from the SEC. This is super important because once it does hit that level, it opens up a whole new opportunity. It opens up a whole new window. And this is why I said that I want to purchase 100,000 XRP before it gets to the level of $1. Right now, my cost basis is like 53 cents. We're currently at 43 cents. Yes, I'm down significantly on this play. If I go to my portfolio, you're going to see that I'm down significantly on this play, which is $8,000 on this play. Am I upset about that? 51 cents apparently is my buy-in average because I did add the extra that's in there, the extra 20,000 XRP to get me to 100,000 XRP. I'm excited for the journey. I'm excited for this to hit a level of $1 and the journey after that, right? So let me know your opinion. Do you believe that $1 is important for XRP to hit? Do you believe that XRP will not hit a level of $1 and be worth nothing? I want to know your opinion in the comment section below. whether it's positive or negative, let me know. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, remember, if you guys want to trade on Margex, use my link down below where you can trade up to a 50x leverage on Margex, and you can start with a very low amount. I started trading on Margex just to get the hang of it and understanding it with $1. I was trading with $1, leveraging 5x and seeing what percentages I can gain back, seeing what works for me. This is why I'm able to have the success that I'm able to have, and this is why I understand the crypto market and why you absolutely need to take your initial investment. You need to take profit because the crypto market does fluctuate a heck of a lot, and you need to find a way to profit from that before the fluctuation comes to eat your position, because leverage trading is insanely risky, and I want you guys to minimize that risk. And if you need help with that, feel free to reach out to me on Patreon. I could talk to you about minimizing the risk. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.